Hello, welcome to the Old Mission Inn located in Traverse City, Michigan. I'm Angela DiLorenzo with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. I want to introduce you to one of our premier listings. Come join me. With over 5,000 square feet of charming space, this inn boasts over 13 rooms of history and modern comforts. Exciting plans are on the way to expand this cafe to the locals so they can enjoy the dining experience inside or outside. So come join us as we explore this timeless gem, a place where history, hospitality, and the stunning beauty of Old Mission Peninsula come together in perfect harmony.